I've now finished off my edging. Now you can see it curls right under, but once we block this and run a blocking wire or cord underneath the edge, this will lie nice and flat and just create this very, very subtle ribbed edge along the top. So what we're going to do next now is, we haven't bound off the stitches. I have got just those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches left on the end. I'm going to go ahead and knit those, and when I finish that, I'm going to start working my way down here. And you see each of these yarn overs, we're going to pick up and knit a stitch in each of those yarn overs. So that's what we're going to do at this stage. Now I will go ahead and slip the first stitches I've been doing, but I'm then going to go ahead and knit each of these rather than working them in ribbing, because all of the rest of these across here are going to be picked up and knit, so just keep it consistent. So first one here is this yarn over, put the needle into the yarn over, pick up and knit it. We're just going to go ahead and pick up and knit every single stitch or every single yarn over all the way down our work. When we reach the very tip, we're going to have, I'll show you here, we're just going to have at the very tip after the pick up and yarn over, just pick up one at the top, and we will put a marker on each side of that so that it's easier to keep track of. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and pick up and knit up the other side. But for now, I'll get down to the tip and show you what that looks like. So I have now picked up my stitches, wrong way around. I've now picked up stitches all the way down this side. So you can see when I stretch it out, it's going to really open up those yarn overs. What you will see on the other side is you'll have a tiny little seam, which I think works out okay, because the yarn overs really do blend in so nicely to the edging that we're going to put on it now. So I've got this is the start. These were those stitches that I had just knit here, the picked up stitches all the way down here. And I'm right down to the bottom. There was kind of one just at the very edge here that was picked up that wasn't quite a yarn over. And now I'm going to place a marker on the tip of my shawl down here. So see where the start of my yarn is? I'm just going to go in, pick up and knit this. Whoop, there we go. Then I'm going to take my marker, plonk this on, and then start up on the other side. So again, I'm going to be picking up kind of one stitch right along the edge here, because of course there was a couple of stitches at the very start. Let me pull this back. I'm just going to open this up so I can see. See, this is the first yarn over. So this space here, I'm going to come in here. Pick up and knit this one. It's just my tail is trying to get involved here. Here we go, pick up and knit this one, and then we'll get started on our yarn overs. Pick up and knit. Pick up and, I'm going to make sure here some of these aren't quite open. Here we go. Pick up and knit into the yarn over. Once it's established a bit, it gets nice and easy all the way up along here. So I'm going to do this all the way up. This is this one. Here's my yarn over here. It was cleaner on the other side for some reason, so more obvious to do where it was. But I'm going to keep going up the side here until I reach the very top. And of course, at the edge of this, I had originally got 6 stitches that are cast on. So I'm going to pick up and knit 6 along the edge here so it'll match up with the other side.